Believe it or not, that video you just watched was created entirely using the AI platform I'm showing you today. If you want to get your hands on Seedance 2.5 and start generating visuals just like that, make sure you don't skip a single second. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in. So this right here is the AI platform. And from the get-go, you can see that this AI platform houses lots and lots of amazing models. Like you can see, they even have the all-new Higgsfield layers, which is actually just great. And they have lots and lots of amazing models, as well as the all-new Seedance 2.5, which we're going to be covering in this video. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you can access this model and use it to generate high-quality videos. Not only does it have amazing models for you to use, you also have features like the Higgsfield Academy, as well as the supercomputer and the MCP tool, where you can use Claude directly in its interface, but linked with Higgsfield. And these models are just great. You can take a look at the quality on screen, and everything looks ultra realistic. No weird morphing, and you couldn't even tell some of these generations were AI. These are the amazing capabilities you get with Seedance 2.5, which I will show you how to use in the coming seconds. Well, before we head into that, let's scroll up and test out the image generator. Because if you hover over here on image, you can see that it houses top models like GPT Image 2, Nano Banana Pro, as well as Seedream 5 Pro, and even has the top model right here for generating ultra-realistic fashion visuals, which is the Higgsfield Soul 2. And they all work great. In order to use this, all you have to do is click right here on Create Image, and you should be loaded over to this interface. And from the get-go, you can see that I myself have been testing out this amazing platform. As you can see on screen, the quality we get with this is really something to talk about. Now, in order to generate images, all you have to do is type in a simple prompt of your choice. For example, I can say, close-up shot of a man reading a book, just like this. And for the model, you have lots of amazing models to choose from, but for this, I'm gonna go with GPT Image 2. So you have to just click on it, just like this, and you can select the resolution as well as the quality. For the aspect ratio, I'm going to go with 1:1, and you can as well choose how many images you want to generate at a time. For this, I'm going to leave it at 2 images at a time. Now, all that's left to do is click right here on Generate, and our images are currently being generated. Do keep in mind that in the coming moments, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can access and use Seedance 2.5 with its amazing quality very soon. So let me give our image generator a couple of seconds while it generates our images for us. And in no time, our images are done generating. Let's take a closer look. And honestly, this is just great. It adhered to the prompt perfectly and generated a close-up shot. As you can see, the textures on his skin, even the wrinkles, everything looks just great. I couldn't even tell this was AI at all. This is the amazing generative capabilities you get using this platform. And you can as well use some other features like the recreate reference, and you can turn this into a video by the click of a button. I'm just going to download this straight into my device and head back. Now, I'll be showing you how we can use Seedance 2.5, because in order to do that, all you have to do is hover over here on video, and you will see the amazing models it houses, such as Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2 4K, and many, many other great models. You can hover over here and click on Create Video, and you should be loaded over to this interface. And from the get-go, you can see that I myself have been testing this out, and the quality Seedance 2.5 gives is just amazing, and you will be seeing that in the coming moments. Now, in order to use Seedance 2.5, all you have to do is scroll down here and make sure it's selected, and you can type in the prompt. For example, I'm going to be saying, realistic video of a woman running from a bear in the forest. Just like this. Having your prompt set, all you have to do is choose the duration, which you can take all the way up to 30 seconds, and I will do just that. And for the aspect ratio, I'm gonna go with 16:9 for that widescreen view. And now, all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our video is currently being generated. Now, you can as well use the Extend feature to generate even longer AI videos, but for this test, we're actually gonna just be using basic Seedance 2.5. So our video is currently being generated, Just give us a couple of minutes while it generates our video for us. And in no time, our video is done generating. Let's take a look at what it generated for us. And honestly, that was just great. No weird morphing, no distortion at all, and it adhered to the prompt perfectly. You couldn't even tell that was AI at all. It looks like something cut straight from an actual movie. You can click right here and download it straight into your device. And do make sure to test Seedance 2.5 on this platform. The link will be in my bio.